Hey everyone! In this quick guide, I'm going to explain why your stop loss on trading 212 might not be working. How to set it up the right way so you don't miss out on protecting your investments. So let's say you're trying to place a stop order and it's not triggering as expected. One common reason is that it might not be set up correctly. Trading 212 offers different types of stop orders depending on whether you're buying or selling. And getting the setup right is essential. Let's start with how to set a stop buy order. This is when you want to buy a stock only after it rises to a certain price. To do that, you first select the instrument you want to invest in. Then, choose the number of shares you'd like to buy. Now here's the important part: set a stop price above the current market price. This is the price you're willing to pay once the stock moves upward. After that, just review the order and confirm it. Now, if you're trying to sell and want to limit your losses in case the price drops, you'll need a sell stop order. Here's how that works. Suppose you own a stock that's currently trading at $50 and you want to protect yourself if the price drops below $45. You'd set a stop price at $45. Once the market hits that point, trading 212 will automatically execute a sell order at the best available price. To place a stop sell order, just select the stock you already hold. Enter the number of shares you want to sell. Then, set your stop price below the current market price. This is where the order will trigger. Review all the details, then confirm. So, if your stop loss isn't working, double check whether the price conditions are actually being met. A stop order only gets activated when the market hits your specified price. And make sure you've selected the right type of stop buy or sell based on what you're trying to do. That's it. Now you know exactly how to protect your investments with stop orders on trading 212. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments.